And what we wanted to do, we wanted to translate the amazing data that you can get from C3S products and services, but make it tangible and accessible for educators. So basically, we created a GIS, a Geographical Information System, a visual system, where students and teachers are able to access that data using visual output, such as a clickable map. And I know how challenging and difficult it is to communicate robust, top quality science to students of all age groups, of all abilities. So that was the challenge. The data that comes out of the Copernicus projects, they are incredible, what we call curriculum artifacts in schools, or stimuli for learning. They are incredible. They have the power for wow and for awe and for wonder of these students. Things like this have the ability for us to reconnect to our planet because we see it as a whole system.